How you doing, guys? Chris here. Autel has just released their new smart controller, and it's designed to complement the family of Evo 2 drones. Currently, it doesn't work with legacy drones like the Evo 1, but future production drones from Autel will definitely incorporate smart controller compatibility. I believe the most exciting feature about this smart controller is the improved range that you get. It goes out to 8 miles. That's 2.5 miles more than the original advertised range of the Evo 2. That feature alone has enough to sell me on the smart controller. Even though these two smart controllers aren't compatible with drones outside of their manufacturing brand, let's compare the Autel smart controller to the DJI smart controller. Autel's smart controller features a 7.9-inch screen with variable brightness settings. The DJI smart controller only has a 5.5-inch screen, and it also has variable brightness settings. Both the Autel smart controller and the DJI smart controller have HDMI video out features. And both smart controllers have an Android-based app system. We haven't been able to compare the user interface between these two smart controllers, but there has been reports that the DJI smart controller has a problem with third-party apps. The estimated battery life on the Autel smart controller is about 4.5 hours. That's about 2 hours more than the DJI smart controller, but the Autel smart controller does have a larger battery. Other features to Autel smart controller are quite impressive as well, like the 128GB internal memory or the external memory feature. With all these enhanced features that the Autel smart controller has, it's no wonder the price is about $1,200. Compared that to the DJI smart controller, which is coming in around $750. For the range enhancement feature on the Evo 2 drones, I think I'd pay that much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.